The 2022-2024 Honda Accord key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob casing without causing damage. Using metal tools can scratch the components, so plastic is preferred. CR2032 batteries are readily available for $1 to $5. Make sure you have the correct battery before you begin to avoid any issues during the replacement process. These batteries typically need replacement every 1 to 3 years, depending on usage. First, locate the small notch or button on the edge of the key fob. Gently pry it open using your flathead screwdriver or plastic tool. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation, particularly the positive plus side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons lock-unlock within 5 feet of the vehicle. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming it via the vehicle's ignition or consult a dealer.